Hello guys, in today's video we are all going to learn how to make a perfect tree selection in Photoshop without any stress. So get your Photoshop ready and let's get started. So normally the tool we usually use is the Magic Eraser tool, but that tool doesn't work very perfectly when you are trying to select a tree from a background. You normally lack a lot of details on the tree. But we have good news. Photoshop actually has another way to make you select a very perfect tree, including all the details needed. So let me show you how to do it. So first off, you go to Windows and then select Channels. Now select the blue channel and then duplicate it. Now press on your keyboard Ctrl+L to bring out the Levels panel on your screen. Now drag the sliders to one place to achieve the shadows on the tree. Now press on this icon to make the selection. Now press the red channel to activate the normal colors on the tree. Then go back to your layers to selection and click on inverse. Then you can come down here and then click on the max to max the selection. Now you can see that the tree is selected and you can see all the background is gone. You can see the details. So this is how to make a good selection in Photoshop. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.